Hello, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into English words to help you expand your vocabulary and build confidence in your language skills. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a very important word, abuse. Now, abuse is a verb that means to treat someone or something in a harmful way. This can include mistreating others verbally, physically, or emotionally. It's a powerful word often associated with unfair or damaging behavior. Let's talk about a few synonyms for abuse. One synonym is mistreat. For example, it's wrong to mistreat animals as they deserve kindness and respect. Another similar word is harm, as in spreading rumors can harm someone's reputation unfairly. Another useful synonym is exploit. We might say, companies should not exploit their workers by forcing them to work under bad conditions. On the other hand, there are some antonyms for abuse that show the opposite meaning. Words like respect and protect fit here. For example, parents should respect their children's needs and feelings, or it's our responsibility to protect the environment. These words remind us of positive, supportive ways to treat others. Let's look at how abuse might show up in everyday life. Imagine a situation where someone says, "He would never abuse his power. He's a very fair person." Here, abuse implies using one's position in a harmful or selfish way, which is a common context for this word. You might also hear it in discussions about protecting others, such as, "We need laws that prevent anyone from abusing their authority." Here are a few more examples of abuse in sentences. She realized her friend was in a toxic relationship and experiencing emotional abuse. It's important to teach children to recognize when they're being abused and to seek help. Using resources carelessly can abuse the environment, leaving less for future generations. Today we covered the meaning of abuse, some similar words like mistreat, harm, and exploit, and opposites like respect and protect. Thanks so much for tuning into today's episode. If you enjoyed learning with us, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and keeps us motivated to bring you even more vocabulary tips. Before we go, I encourage you to try using abuse in a sentence and share it in the comments. I'm Alex, and I can't wait to explore more words with you next time.